It took me half an hour, but I think we got him, boy. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the part 7 of this Volvo Amazon build series. And today we're gonna work on the other side of the inner fender. So over here we have the car. This is the thing we did last video, part 6 of this build. Still need to clean up the welds and weld up the top part over here. But that will all be done very quickly. So right now I'm gonna make some cuts. I'm gonna get this piece loose, cut out the lower portion, and make everything ready for the new panel. And I really hope we can do it a lot quicker than we did on that side. And by the way, thank you for all those nice comments again on part 6 of this build series. I really love it, and I love it that you guys love the build, and I love all the support I can get, so thank you very much. The complete fender is cut off. This one is going way faster than the other side, and that's because, of course, I now know what to do. So guys, this just proves that experience is literally everything you need when doing car work, and the experience you need, you get it from doing it. So I'm busy for I think an hour right now, and look how this thing is in already. I mean, it's way more flat, as you can see, than this one. This one is still a bit crooked. This one is way more flat already, and I still need to cut out this piece. So this one is going very well. I think I can get this one welded up today, but that all depends on how the holes will line up. And the other fun thing about these panels, which I found out, is they don't have any watering channels. So what happens is water will run down, it will go in there or in the holes where the fender is mounted. There will be water inside of this panel somewhere in this life, and I just know that. So every single hollow panel you will see has dimples like this. So when water gets in over there, it will run down and go out in this watering channel down there. But there is none in the front. So I will just make a tiny watering channel over there where the water can run out down here. Take my blowtorch and I'm gonna get this underside cleaned up mostly. Let's go. She's almost in, guys. Look at it. The thing I have a slight problem with right now is the front mounting point. If I close the bonnet or the hood, or how anyone calls it, look, this one is also laying on there, not tightened down. This is the new welded fender. I can live with this gap. It looks very big on camera, but it is adjustable. The fender is not yet mounted, so that will be okay. On this side, when I lay the fender in there, the back hole lines up like perfectly. So I'm very happy about this one. The problem we have on the front is this panel. Over here, the spot welds of the panel are sticking out. And over here the panel is right in the half of the spot welds. So we need to somehow make this new panel turn more inwards. So what I need to do is take my little air grinder, and then we can file a notch in the corner over here. And when we do that, we can turn this whole panel a bit inward. So guys, it's 15 minutes past 3 in the afternoon, and the first weld has been laid over there. It's a great accomplishment for mankind. I think it's time for welding. I just test fitted it, and it fits perfectly. We have a very nice gap in the hood. So, and I think when we close it right now, yeah, this is what I showed you earlier. When I have the corners against each other, it's all the same from the front to the back. As you can see over here, this one and this one looks very familiar. So very familiar, very similar. I mean, but yeah, I'm gonna set up my welding stuff. And we're gonna fire up the old beast over there, and then we can start welding. So guys, this piece is also in. I can't be happier. Yeah, I think we have done a great job today. So over here we have the welds. And just to remind you, when welding cars, you always do tiny spot welds, little pieces at a time, and then let it cool down. And then eventually you will get a weld that looks like this. It actually looked like that, but when you brush it, it looks like that. When I go down here, this is how it looks. And that means the weld I have put out on the top, because I've welded it from the top to the bottom, because welding upside down is just not doable. So what I've done is I laid a weld in there, which is actually penetrating the metal. I'm gonna grind up these welds, make it look all nice so I can show you guys, and then this part of the car is already done. And for you guys, I think the next video will finally be no welding, or maybe a tiny bit, because I still need to fix these corners over here. But I think we can do a video without welding. But for now, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, and I will see you guys next time. I'm out. Bye.